Alright, I'm going to show you how to put a jig skin from American Tackle Company on a jerk bait that Rapala makes. These are what the jig skins look like first. This is a blueback shad. You have to take all the hooks and swivels off your bait first. And then you're going to need a black marker. You're going to put the bait, line the bait up so the eye where your line goes is at the edge. And then the end of the bait goes right there. And then you're going to mark the length of the bait. Right there. Then you're going to mark where the next hook will go. Right there. And then you're going to have to mark where the bill on the bait goes. Right there. Then you're going to need scissors. Cut the length. Then fold this down and cut a small little triangular piece where the other hook eyelet will go. Pull that off. And then you're going to want to see how wide the bill is, so you know how big of a cut to put on that. So you just fold it in half, make a slit right there, and everything should line up right. You take this, stick it through there, stick the bill through, then stick that through there so it all lines up. Then you're going to dip it in boiling water.